Welcome to all. Myself Dr. B. Nandini, Assistant Professor of Commerce, V.V. Vanniyaperumal College for Women. Now I am going to give a brief introduction about the portfolio management. Portfolio means a combination of financial assets and physical assets. The financial assets includes shares, debentures and other securities, while physical assets include gold, silver, rare collections, etc. Next, definition of portfolio management. Portfolio management is the process of selecting a bunch of securities that will provide the investing organization a maximum yield for a given level of risk, or alternatively ensures the risk for a given level of return. Next, we are going to see about the objectives of portfolio management. The following are the objectives or the principles of portfolio management. That is, security or safety of principal, stability of income, capital growth, marketability, liquidity, diversification and favorable tax status. First principle is, that is, security or safety of principal. Security not only involves keeping the principal sum intact, but also keeping intact its purchasing power intact. Safety means protection for investment against loss under reasonably deviations. In order to provide safety, a careful review of economic and industry trends is necessary. In other words, error in portfolio are unavoidable and it requires extensive diversification. Next principle is stability of income, so as to facilitate planning more accurately and systematically. The reinvestment consumption of income is important. Next one is capital growth. This can be attained by reinvesting in growth securities or through purchase of growth securities. Capital appreciation has become an important investment principle. Investors seek growth stocks which provides a large capital appreciation by way of rights, bonus and appreciation in the market price of a share. Next one, marketability. It is the case which a security can be bought or sold. This is essential for providing flexibility to investment portfolio. Next one is liquidity, that is nearness to money. It is desirable to the investor so as to take the advantage of attracting the opportunities upcoming in the market. Next one, diversification. The basic objective of building a portfolio is to reduce risk of loss of capital and income by investing in various types of securities and over a wide range of industries. The effective yield an investor gets from his investment depends on tax to which it is subject. By minimizing the tax burden, yield can be effectively improved. Investors try to minimize their tax liabilities from the investments. The portfolio management has to keep a list of such investment avenues along with the return risk, portfolio, tax implications, yield and other returns. Investment programmers without considering tax implications may be costly to the investor. Thank you.